In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a line in Tradingview. So as you can see, I've got the Bitcoin chart open here in Tradingview, and let's just say we wanted to draw a few horizontal lines, or maybe even some trend lines, something like that. We can go over to the left hand side and you should be able to see all of these symbols. By default, you'll be on this one in the top left corner, and if we go one down below that, we can see trend line. Now we can simply click on that and start making trend lines. However, if we wanted different types, we can simply just hold it down and then we can choose which one we want. So if we needed a horizontal line, we could click on this, and as you can see next to it, we can also use keyboard shortcuts. So we could use Alt plus H if we wanted to. But for this example, I'm just going to click on this, and we can now do horizontal lines just like that. Now you just want to repeat this process, and you could do it for whatever you want. So if you needed an array, you could do something like that. And you're also able to edit these as well. So if you click on the line, you can go up to the cog, and then you can start editing some things about them. So if you didn't want them blue, you wanted them pink, for example, you could click on that. You can also change the thickness and basically everything else you need. If you ever need to adjust it, you can simply just grab one end and move it. And for the horizontal lines, you can just drag them around wherever you want. So that's how you can draw a line inside of Tradingview. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.